Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Thailand accuses Cambodia of violating hours-old ceasefire. China offers parents $1,500 in bid to boost births. Ukraine's fishing net defense against high-tech threats shows the challenges for Kyiv to respond to Russia's summer offensive. Elon Musk says Tesla and Samsung have signed a $16.5 billion chip deal. Finance minister heads to US to finalize trade deal. Let's look into details. Thailand has accused Cambodia of deliberately violating a ceasefire. The two countries agreed on Monday to end border clashes that have killed at least 33 people and displaced thousands. It's shaky start of the ceasefire, which is aimed at bringing an end to 5 days of bombardment and rocket attacks along their shared border. The Thai military says it stopped firing after midnight, but that it continued to receive gunfire from the Cambodian side at multiple locations up until this morning. Parents in China are being offered 3,600 yuan a year for each of their children under the age of 3 in the government's first nationwide subsidy aimed at boosting birth rate. The country's birth rate has been falling even after the ruling Communist Party abolished its controversial one-child policy almost a decade ago. The handouts will help around 20 million families with the cost of raising children, according to state media. Several provinces across China have piloted some form of payouts to encourage people to have more children as the world's second largest economy faces a looming demographic crisis. The last lifelines into besieged towns along the eastern front line of Ukrainian troops caught in a web of increasingly lethal and sophisticated drone warfare rely on a technology millennia-old, a fishing net strung up on poles along the roadside. The net provides cover for Ukrainian troops from Russian drones, often circulating deep inside their territory as the tiny explosive devices get caught in their tough string. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the US automaker had signed a $16.5 billion deal to source chips from Samsung Electronics, a move expected to blast the South Korean tech giant's loss-making contract manufacturing businesses. Samsung's shares jumped as much as 6.8% to their highest since September last year after news of the deal. Tesla shares were up 1.9% in US pre-maker trading. Musk said Samsung's new chip factory in Taylor, Texas will make Tesla's next generation A16 chip, potentially re-energizing the project that has faced long delays amid Samsung's difficulties in retaining and attracting major clients. Pakistan's Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb has left for his second visit to the United States in 2 weeks to finalize a trade deal with Washington, his office said on Monday. The trip comes after Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar said on Friday that the US and Pakistan were very close to a trade deal that could come within days, but comments from the US after Dar met with the Secretary of State Marco Rubio mentioned no timeline. A final discussion on the Pakistan-US trade dialogue will take place during the visit, Pakistan's finance minister said in a statement, adding that a trade agreement will benefit both countries. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channel Desi Urdu TV and DTV NN.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.